Hi all, Sarah here. So I was just doing a bit of makeup filming for YouTube and just thought I would jump on and do this little video for my Instagram channel. So on the first lockdown, I was doing free makeup lessons every Sunday at 7 o'clock, and these ranged from really creative looks to editorial, just to beauty, red carpet every day. I did sort of something different every week, so everyone got a little bit of something new to learn. So I'm actually thinking of doing another one this Sunday, and the topic I'm looking to do is going to be dewy editorial skin. But when you break these techniques down, you can also use some of the techniques for wedding makeup and evening makeup, even everyday makeup. So although it's an editorial finish look, when you break it down, the elements can be used for lots of other things. So I'm looking to do it at 7 o'clock this Sunday, and I'm really hoping you can all join me and we can get some makeup chat going on. And it's a nice way, I always found when I did it before, it's a nice way to sort of end the week and bring in, the following week as well. So it was always loads of fun. I'll pop a picture up of the look that I'm thinking to do, and please drop me a comment if you would be interested in coming along, and if I can get enough interest I will come along at 7 and do you a free makeup masterclass. Alright, have a good day everyone, see you soon, bye.